natural world is indifferent to us, and our place in it is not guaranteed. Gardens are the intersection of nature and culture. Sharing it with people is really the important thing. The very word culture comes from the Latin word to cultivate the ground. That was the original meaning, but it's come always to be used as a metaphor for kind of caring for the mind. I always wanted to design a public garden like this. We get about 10,000 visitors every year from all over the world. So I don't travel much anymore, but the greatest pleasure I get out of the garden is in meeting people who come to visit. You never know who people are, especially as they're getting older. We've had lots of artists come to visit, big family groups, senior assistant to the mayor of Paris, senior engineers on the Apollo 13 project. I've met such interesting people here. That's my income from the garden, because it doesn't work too well as a business. Most tourist destinations are all about excitement, danger, and thrills. It's not hard to imagine a velociraptor kind of bounding out of the forest. They create that Jurassic mood. The garden is really the opposite of that. In one way, it's full of surprises, but they're very kind of gentle surprises. Young gardeners really become plant obsessive and rattle off botanical names all day long. So as gardeners get older, I find that they become, I guess you'd call it, a little more philosophical. Gardens have been associated with therapy and health for thousands of years. It also provides lessons for how to live. Open your eyes, slow down, or take your time, and just let things go. Set your heart free. Just love what you're experiencing each day.